Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back for another back with another video. We got my S1K, the Aprilia. We got another S1000, this one with headers. So actually, currently sounds the best because this is stock, this is stock, this is stock. It's the only bike actually, even though this has headers. Even though this has headers, I feel like they're somewhat similar level of loudness. This bike is surprisingly loud for a stock bike. But yeah, we're gonna go do a little like beach ride, a nice squad of bikes. Literally they're all like brand new V4. Well, technically it's a 21, so it's not brand new, but you know, all these bikes are under 1,000 miles. A bunch of new bikes, and we're just going for a little cruise by the beach. They did something wrong with that Ducati because his taillight is out. Unless it turns on at night, I have no idea, because when he's using the brake, I'm assuming he's using the brake now. That's why it turned on, unless it just turned on. No, it doesn't look like he's using brake. That was weird. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. His taillight was off, and then all of a sudden, wait, it turned off again. Ooh, okay. Bike's looking nice, besides the fact that we have two identical bikes over there. They're both the exact same year too, and I already bought that exact same windscreen and same NRC tail tidy, so these bikes are literally gonna look identical. Yeah, this video I'm not really gonna be talking too much, just enjoying the ride. And I know some of you guys enjoy, you know, when I don't talk much and literally just ride, so that's what we're doing this ride. Like 99% sure I'm gonna take this bike to my next track session. It's too much fun. I'm gonna go slow anyways, so my friends can catch up. I love riding in this nice weather. The only problem about riding in nice weather is bugs. My visor is like filled with bugs right now. Yeah, cops are super strict here, especially about exhaust laws. That's why I never come here. But we have a stock exhaust on this bike, so we chillin'. Take advantage of the stock exhaust while I have it. All right, now I'm a little concerned because I don't know where any of my friends are, and I can see 4 bikes, but I can't even see one bike. Give it like a couple seconds, a minute or two. I'm actually worried about them now. Wait, I see them. I'm glad they just got lost. Not gonna lie, sometimes it's kind of nice not having an obnoxious bike, like cruising right now, and not having something ringing directly in my ear is kind of nice. That's the thing though. Every time I get a bike, I'm like, I'm not gonna get an obnoxious exhaust for it, and then I end up doing exactly just that. I mean, especially this bike, there's no way I'm not gonna get an obnoxious bike on the obnoxious exhaust on this bike, because this is one of the best sounding bikes. Ah, look at the beach. I haven't been here in so long. I'm actually really hyped about this. I haven't been to the beach in general in a while. I miss riding down here. We used to come here all the time, and then the cops got strict about exhaust laws because all the people that live around here started complaining with loud vehicles, which I don't blame them. You know, like most of the houses here cost like I don't know, like probably easily like 5 to 20, even some of them are like 50 million. So yeah, like tens of millions. So I get it, some people want to live in peace, they don't want loud vehicles and stuff like that, but I feel like if we're just cruising with a loud exhaust, it's not bad. They should be more strict about like if you're revving, if you're, you know, gunning it too fast around here, because I don't come here to like ride fast, you know. Like as soon as we hit the beach, I'm just trying to cruise and just relax, enjoy the views, the sunset. See all these houses, so expensive, especially the ones like right on the beach. It's so cold. Now one of my favorite spots right here. Cruise control by the beach. This guy. Whoa. Whoa. Can we lean the bike? Oh yeah, we got it. Easy. Taking turns in cruise control. It's way harder to go this way. Easy. Look at these views, man. We're getting close to the food spot. The food spot is literally like right on the water. Should be right. Oh my god, look at the line. I want to get a couple shots with the bike in the sunset. I'm not gonna ride the bike up the sidewalk. Oh, this is a workout going uphill. Ooh, this is nice. Gee, all the bugs. Not the cleanest, but everyone taking pictures of the sunset. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video here and I'll get back when we ride back.